just wash it with plain tap water.
Okay. Oh.
Like it? That's okay. You want me to put the lights on or?
No, it's fine. Unless he wants. Oh, it's okay.
Okay, baby. But that's a good cry. That's the kind of cry we like. Tiny Bob.
Oh, baby, you're turning all red.
I know you don't like this.
Oh. That's the most I've heard him cry so far.
Oh, really? That's a good cry. It's not a grunty cry.
Yeah.
That helps expand the lungs.
Uh-huh.
We don't like the grunty cry that he was doing earlier. Sorry, Elijah, I'm not done yet.
Oh, poor baby.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute.
Poor baby.
I'm gonna trim the cord. We only
Okay.
need this clamp with the number,
Okay.
so it won't be too heavy.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut it, and it might still bleed a little bit, but he won't feel it when I cut it.
Okay.
After the initial bath here in the
Mhm.
hospital, we put triple dye on the cord. It's that let me show it to you. Like that
Uh-huh.
ink like black thing.
Right. To help dry it up.
Mhm.
Okay.
But when you go home, you could use
Like alcohol.
alcohol. The drying effect of alcohol plus this is almost similar,
Okay.
but this is what we use here in the hospital
Okay.
for the initial one. Later on, we could use just the alcohol.
Okay. You're almost done.
Almost done. We're gonna shampoo your hair. That part I'm sure you will like.